So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the second step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, you want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, make sure that you have obtain the IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space windsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.